I wasn't pooping. There's no way I'm pooping in there.
Morning. You're not pooping in there.
No. I'm not pooping in there. No, it's horrible. I don't like it. It's weird. And you go in there and it's really warm, and you know why it's warm. It's because it's burning your shit.
I've had like 3 poops since I've been here. It's weird. It mounds up quite quickly, and you have to normally. I don't know about everyone else, but
don't explain. No.
Yeah, so we're leaving this place now, heading towards the airport. We're going to have plenty of time to stop off and do some bits. We was going to do a walk, but again, I fucked that up. So, yeah, I'm just going to brush past that before I get angry at myself and ruin my day. Have you got any beers left? Right, we're going to pack up and get on the bike. So we're making our way to the airport to drop the cat off. She's going to take some of the stuff back with her that she can, which will free up a bit more space for me to squish things in. Kat, how you feeling today?
You crushed my shell.
What?
You're talking.
I'm doing very well on this trip. What's been your best bits?
The best bits? I don't know. Obviously going to the Arctic, seeing reindeer.
Seeing reindeer.
That was pretty fucking cool. Almost falling off the side of a mountain.
Almost, is that the snow?
Yeah.
That was the best bit.
Wow! It sucked then. Still alive now, so it's going to be one of those memories, isn't it, that goes forever.
It's been your worst bits.
Almost falling off the side of a mountain. Oh, yeah, but then falling over in the gravel was pretty fucking funny too. I don't know, what are your best bits?
I can't believe you didn't say the Northern Lights.
Oh fucking hell, I forgot about the Northern Lights. That is definitely one of the best bits. Still can't get over that. Oh, and the cabin in the woods. Fucking hell, we've done so much. It's hard to think.
It'll be hard to remember until we watch this back, just how
Okay.
much we've done.
What's your favourite bit?
Northern Lights are pretty good. I liked riding through Sweden because it was just so empty, and it was just good to experience the emptiness of it.
Yeah.
I'm the same as you about the snowy mountain. I was genuinely scared,
We were all genuinely scared.
but I'm kind of happy that we did go through with it and we survived, because that will be a memory that we will never forget. Racing reindeer on the side of the road, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And just being on the bike, it's been shit the past few days, but it's what it's all about, and we'll forget all the shit bits. And that's what touring's all about, really. Can't plan for the weather. It's just been good to be away for a month. Has been tiring, but it's been good to ride the bike. Bike's held up really well. What do you think of the bike?
I like the bike. We all know I like the bike. I like my seat.
Seat's pretty
My
good.
throne.
We're just finishing up now. We're running a bit late actually, and then we're gonna start making a move. But now there's a smell of burning, and we don't know if it's a toilet or not, or if I was just overdoing it. That really is smelling of burning. Typical last day, and the weather's great. It's alright, babe, I got this. Alright, let's go!
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless, it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was drunk, you showed an open door.
Just seen a sign for a waterfall, we think. So we're going to go try and find it and check it out. Oh look, roadblock. This is some of the best weather we've had in days. Can't say it makes you realise how shit the weather's been the past week when you can see things like this today. I love it when we have great plans. Right, back we go. Right, you've heard into some gravel. Big rock. Nailed it. Where have you just come from?
A cave.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Cat peed in the cave.
I really needed a wait.
Right,
I don't want to go.
let's get you to the airport.
No.
She's very sad. Such a nice day to be leaving on as well. But she gets to see the puppy dog when she gets back in a couple of days.
A couple of days.
Come on in. Let's go. We are here. She won't be using this anymore.
Right, that's it.
And that's it, then you're all packed up. Lids on. Oh, feels weird. Come give us a cuddle. Done really well with this tour. Good tour. Shake hands, good tour. Good tour.
You're not.
Would you do it again?
What?
Would you do it again?
Oh god, is that what I look like? Why do you have to show me my face?
Would you do it again?
Yeah, of course I would.
Yeah. Right, well I will see you in a couple of days
With the puppy dog.
with the puppy dog.
Right. Bye. I'll see you in a little bit. Go get lost.
See you soon. Bye bye. feeling I'm going to be talking to her on the headsets and she's not going to be there. But I've now got apparently 3 hours of riding to my hotel. Then tomorrow I'll wake up, a couple of hours in the afternoon, and then I'm catching a ferry to Holland. Then I've got to race to the other end of Holland to catch another ferry back to Harwich. And to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm going to make it. Kat has been the absolute MVP of this tour. She has got me out of so many sticky situations. I'm so happy she came. There's not many girls that would put up with that. Not many people. Let's get these miles done. 3 hours and 84 miles. They're having a joke. I don't need fuel. Okay, 53 miles to go. Getting there. Roads are pretty boring. Might leave my pillion pegs down in memory of Cat. Right, let's go. Norway, and I'm seeing a lot more bikers. Bottle jobs. Hardly anyone up north. I should have got my Nordcap sticker off Cat to put it on the bike so everyone on the ferry tomorrow can recognise where this bad boy has been. All this traffic's reminding me of home and it's making me sad. I've got to turn around and try and get some drone footage, otherwise it's going to wind me up that I didn't. Oh fuck. Don't drop it without Cat. That balls. unless I find something tomorrow, that could well be the last drone footage of this trip. That's sad. We're here. Do you know what? If that was my last ride, my last evening in Norway, I'm glad it was that ride in the sunset. It's quite nice. Right, let's check in. Oh, what a lovely change of pace to turn up dry. Oh. Look at that! That last ride, oh my god. When I dropped Cat off, I was so bored. It was traffic everywhere, it was slow moving, it was crap. And then I got on that, I think, Route 44 or Road 44, and it was stunning. I'm tempted to go back. If I can work it out, what time, my timings, I might go back and fly the drone. But I didn't know what time they were going to stop serving food here. I was running out of daylight. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please think about subscribing. It's quite sad. This is my last night in Norway. I can't believe it's coming to a close. I've been on the road for 29 days. Somewhere out next time, I think. Yeah, if I don't see you, I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Don't forget, shave your balls on your face.